Well, hello, hello, hello. Mail call. I have mail. And Squeaky said, "You has mail, Mama? Do you? Let me come talk to you. Can you hear this, guys? Can you hear the Squeaky the cat? She was, snoozing right there in the cubby, and all I had to do was open my mouth, and she was like, oh,
Now she's meowing.
right? She's like, oh, here, let me come and say hi. I'm ready for my close up, Mr. DeMille. Right? Right? You want to go back and meow? This cat, I'm telling you, she's such a character. Okay, anyway, you did not come here again to listen to the cat meow and beg for attention. You came here to see what I got in the mail. You know what? So do I. So let's find out. We have first this one from the returns department. So I have no idea I really don't have any idea what this is. So it may be scrapbooking related. It might not be. I haven't a clue. So let's find out what it is. Oh, what is it? Oh, this is, okay, so, wow. That's really weird. So this is from, this is one of my HSN things that's finally made it here. This is the new one from, Crafter's Companion. It's the classic car. Look at that with the license plate thingies and just, oh my goodness. How cool. I totally am. It's not that I forgot, but I did forget. It was coming. What? Did you hear that? Boy, the Peanut Gallery's ears perk up when I said classic car. He is such a guy, such a car guy. I'll show you in a minute, sweetheart. The dies I got. Just want to pull it out and show everybody else first. You got to see it last. Sorry. Oh my goodness. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. This is big. Wow. Way bigger than I thought. And isn't it perfect timing to make something for Father's Day, which is coming up like really fast? So we are going to have to play with this. You know, now that I'm getting into the scheme of things again and playing more with paper. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is very, very cool. So I'm like, oh, yay. So but, like, they come out that way or do they go the other way? Let's see. And I don't know that it really, really matters, but so we should spend 3 hours on video putting this away in a manner that doesn't matter. Right? Okay, so we will send the envelope to the trash. We're not going to send it flying, just for on pure principle, because we have a perfectly good box here that I can send flying. So let's get this open and see. I'm pretty sure this is the, one of them is my subscription box from Crafter's Companion. And I think it's the one that I was expecting. I think it's what I think it is. And it might not be what I think it is. I have no idea what it is, but we have, yeah, one of them I can already recognize the size of the box, so that's what it is. And, oh, and this is Diamond Press. This is an, I'm pretty sure this is an auto ship too. So we'll take that and set it aside. And here we go. Fly, my pretty fly. There we go. So, oh, I'm going to sit down. I am really tired, guys. We got a lot of stuff done today. I worked and I was doing videos and I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I don't have, my head no longer feels like it wants to explode. I've had a head cold. I brought that back from Utah. Yay, us. And we went to Armstrong and picked up 2 new tomato varieties because, of course, we did not have enough tomatoes as is. But we picked up a San Marzano that we really wanted to do so that we could make some tomato sauce. And then we picked up a midnight snack, which is a cherry tomato that is red, except for wherever the sun hits it, it turns purple. Really cool. We saw it on YouTube, and we has to have it. So now we have it. So, oh, this is the next one, the next auto ship from the Slimline. So let's pull this out. Let's pull the little paper out that I already did. Remember, you guys, I already did one. I don't think I have a card handy. No, I think I already. Oh yeah, I did. So it's from this set. I already got these. These are, so it's the auto ship. The next one in the set that works with these, the first of the Slimlines, I believe that Diamond Press put out. And look, so I have now another Slimline folder. I haven't even messed up the ones I have, so I'm really, really gold. But look at that. Oh, I love this. Just the sunburst and sunshine and smiles, sunshine and smiles. Miss you. So both the the die itself, and then the background, and then Fran. Ooh. So this is going to be really, really cool. So I don't need to pull this out. I mean, you can. It's really obvious what it is. And this is, I know this is a, hang on, because I can show the picture on the other side. Hello. There he is. There you go. It's the tropical leaf flower. So we have that tropical flower design. Very Hawaiian, very... And then I'm looking at it. How come can I not read it? And because it's this way. It's amazing. Ugh. I'm telling you. So aloha. So this is really, really cool. Really love it. Perfect for summer. And that's what it is. That is what it's called. It is the Sunshine and Smiles. Perfect for summer. Hello, Squeaky. Really? Why don't you go and go back and nap in your cubby, huh? Go take a nap. Go on. Go on. Oh, and now, of course, we have the Party Crasher coming too, according to the Peanut Gallery. So we will see. So let's put this away and see if we can get this done before Elvis takes us into his mind. Nope, he's by the screen door, looking out longingly, hoping that someone will let him out, and we won't. Not at night. We have issues with coyotes. Okay, we're gonna set that flying. Ah! Now let's get this open, and this is a subscription box, and wow, it's already they kind of already did it for me, or just did a really bad taping job, and I'm okay with that. Makes it easier for me to open. So this is, I wonder if it says what the name is. It is CAC Dies and Stamps. So we'll see what it is. I still think, I know for sure the last one I did send back, because I just knew I was not, even though it was really, really cute, the penny sliders and all that, it was just not something I was going to do. So, and I have enough things to keep me, I'm already behind on so much stuff, it's not even funny. Why add to it when I know it's not going to be my cup of tea? So let's see what this says. And let's see if it is my cup of tea or not. Let me open it. Oh, yeah, I think it is. Never mind. Look at that mushroom house. Oh my God. So it's a scene. It's a create a card. That's what they mean by CAC. Wow. I haven't even opened it and I already like it. So I'm like, yeah, this is going to be a keeper. And see, these are like hit and miss. And this one is number 36. So, yay me, I'm going to go ahead. Do I want to, we're going to break the sticker and not try to salvage it for criminy sakes, Myra. So, as always, we open it up. We have the lovely thank you for your purchase and the website where we can go and download the videos. Just, you know, some samplings on what to make with it. And I love how they're now packaging it all pretty. I'm not sure what the purpose of this is other than to just heighten the anticipation or make it so we're less likely to send it back because we have to open all of this up and we don't want to damage it. You know, and it can be an effective tool. I will give that to them. This is, you know, there is a certain amount of genius in that. So let's see. These are the assorted pearls, but I do want to see them. This one I am very much, since I already know I'm going to like it, I really do want to open it up and let's show it off and go through this. So these are the pearls in, oh, look how pretty these colors are. Really pretty spring colors. So yeah, I'm pretty jazzed. Those are really, really pretty. So I'm okay with that. So let's set this aside. And then we have the dewdrops. So let's see now, which way can I open this? That will make the least damage. Because that's just how I roll in at this point. I don't know if I care. So let's look at the dewdrops. Again, here we go. More of these. I really like these. So that they have now, to, you know, sent me more. This I like. We can make these use, and that literally that's what they are. They're like little dots of dew. Okay, assorted ribbon. We always know that they send us coordinating ribbons with each kit, usually satin and grosgrain. So let's open that up. And it will coordinate with the colors of paper. So there we are. A little 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and probably what? Not, this is an inch, maybe like 3/4 inch. But those are pretty colors. I even like the pink. The green is passable. It's not like my favorite, but it's also like, oh my gosh, no, I don't hate it. So it's, you know, it works for me. So let's put that back in its little bag. And the metal dies. We always anticipate the dies. This is like the meat and potatoes of the package. And of course, the sticker that least wants to cooperate and be open. Let's see if I can just, you know, take my scissors to it. Yeah. Oh, look, perfect. Oh, I'll make that easy. I'll make it easier. I'll do all of it. Hello. So there we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. The mushroom house. Oh my gosh. And I have gnome dies. You know that I'm going to coordinate this with some gnomes of some sort. Oh my gosh, but that is so cute. So we have the flowers and we have the gnome house. And I think those are the only two, but it's done, look at that, in two different ways. And it looks so different. It makes you think like you have more than two dies, but these are really nice. I am really, especially that toadstool, the mushroom. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do something with that. And then we have the blank cards, and now that I know how to open this in a much better fashion, because heaven forbid I have intelligence. But here are, they're probably in different sizes, I'm gonna bet you. Look, more card blanks. So we've got them. These are not quite A2s, but they do like their 4x6s. I forget what size, what A that size is, but I've got, you know, what, maybe 10 of them here, 8 to 10. In this size. And let me say, does it say how many? Makes it 24, so we're going to have 3 cards. So we're going to have 8, and we're having 3 sizes. So these are going to be close to 5x7s, maybe a little bit bigger. Because in the UK, I guess they really do take their bigger is better seriously. And they make some really honking big cards. So I keep thinking, my gosh, is it just cheaper to mail stuff there, or they just not care? So here we go. Our standard is a little bit more than probably 5x7, or if not, they are A7s. I don't know. But I know that they will send me envelopes. In here will be envelopes that match the cards, so I'm not going to worry about it. Of course, until I have to mail one. Then I might be going to think of a song. And of course the square ones that we know we're going to be singing a different song, because there's going to be extra postage because they are square and they don't meter well. And these are 6x6s. I can tell they're definitely bigger than my 5.5s, like in the cards that you just saw in another video. Now we have all the envelopes. I'm not going to open them. You guys know what an envelope looks like. So let's get to the fun part. Let's look at the printed paper. So let me carefully go ahead and go through this. Okay, I didn't do it very well, so let's try again. There we go. Now what I do like is that, you know, the envelope is that the paper comes right out. So I like, you know, I kind of like that as opposed to the plasticky ones, I think. I'm not sure. But look at this paper. Even that is, this is really cute. And blue polka dots. Of course, blue is my favorite color, so anything in blue. Even this green. I'm going to tell you, I like this green. That is me. Yeah, and don't be surprised, Squeaky. It's like so funny. I said that and she poked her head up like, huh? I love that. Does that look like it looks like wallpaper. Oh, I really like that. It's going to make a pretty card. And then big white polka dots on a mauve, almost a mauve pink. And then I think that's the last one. So it's like a gingham, like a blue-green kind of gingham. But really pretty. Some nice papers here. I mean, you know, it's not cardstock. It's a little heavier weight than regular, but it might still be like 65 pounds. But that's how they always do it anyway, so I'm not complaining. But the paper is pretty, and I do like it. So possibly my least favorite might be actually that mauve polka dot, but the other ones I really like. So I'm going to be jazzed to, you know, put something together with this. And then the colored cardstock, which we all know is always going to coordinate with the pattern paper and the ribbons. Everything is all color coordinated. So here we've got an almost Kelly green that, I don't know. I'm having a tough time with that green already. I'm like, oh my goodness. But here, we're going to put it on the bottom. That we don't have to look at it anymore. But the blue, oh, I love that blue. This blue, I truly, truly like. And then we got a lighter green that I can definitely live with. This, I can work with. The other one, ooh, and a nice peachy, you know, orange. I like that. So and I like this pink. It's a salmon, almost, I guess you would say, a salmon pink. And then we're not going to look at the green. We are just, it's not there. La 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 la. I didn't see anything. So there you have it. I am going to try as soon as I can to put something together with this. I am busily trying to figure out. I also have something from Tonic, you know, the kit, the blue, kit number 43 or 42, whichever it is. Preferably before the next kit comes out. So I'm already working up the card. You know, I already have it like in my head. I know what I want to do. So that's the definition for me of working it out. So let's get that on the tape. But I did want to share with you what I got. In case you can still find this kit. I'm not sure if it's still available on HSN because I'm pretty sure this is an auto ship. But I'll take a look and peek around and see if I can find it there or with Crafter's Companion. And if I can, I will link you down below. This I know is an auto ship. I do not know if it's available on HSN and or on the Diamond Press website. But I am going to look for it. And if I can find it, I will let you know. The same goes for this, for the classic car. If I find it, I will link you down below. But I'm really, really glad I got it. I really like it. And I got it just because I knew that Peanut Gallery was going to like anything that involved the car. And this looks like a classic car. So this is going to make a really cool card. So we are going to have to do something. Look at that. It even has windshield wipers. I can't get over that. Wait a minute. Let me see those. I mean, are they there? Really? Serious? Well, no. I don't see them, so how dare they put windshield wipers there and not include them in the dies? Or am I just missing something? I don't know. I don't see anything that looks... Oh, look. I'm a ding-a-ling. There it is. It's not a die. It's a stamp. So it's stamped on the paper. So, okay. They redeemed themselves with me. And I'm the dingbat. How many of you are screaming at me? Oh, God, Myra. It's right there in front of you, you dork. But anyway... I hope you enjoyed going through the goodies I got in the mail today. If you did, by all means, give me a thumbs up. So if anybody else wants to see my goodies or know what the next project box is from Crafter's Companion and the newest from Gemini, that would be great. I would appreciate it. And if you want to see more of this madness, by all means, subscribe and ding the bell. You know what to do. It's my drill for every video. By all means, now go out and be creative. Make something pretty. I'm doing that. In my busy life, I am going back and getting my creative on while I am tending to the 7 million tomatoes that I have. And today was my mother's birthday, and Saturday we're gathering, and I just came back from a wedding in Utah, and lions, tigers, and bears, and there you go. Huh?
Zion.
Oh, Zion. Oh, yes, and we saw Zion. So that was so worth it. That was, the wedding, of course, was worth it too, but being able to see Zion, and that was like, yeah, let's go to Zion. What the heck? And I don't know. How was I not aware of how beautiful it is? So if you ever get to Utah, go to Zion. Seriously. Anyway, on that note, I am going to leave you all. I will see you as soon as I do another video. Meanwhile, don't forget, we are all a little mad here. So come hang out with me and let's scrap the madness, okay? I will talk to you later. Bye.